Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of EK Sinbad. This week we're going to do some stuff on the LS. I actually have a cam for this from an LS3 I'm going to put in. I just have a stock truck cam in it right now, so it's going to be a little bit of an upgrade. It was free, so I'll take it. But we're going to get into that today, and I'm actually going to have a friend come in to help me because I've actually never done a cam on an LS. I don't imagine it's much different than a small block, but I haven't done it, so we're going to have him come help me out. I'll introduce you to him in just a minute, and we'll see how this goes. I'll see you in a minute. So this is the cam we're putting in. It's not a comp cam. It is a stock LS3 cam out of a 2011 Corvette Grand Sport Coupe manual. So it's actually, this motor is made on the same line as the ZR1s and the Z06 motors. I don't think it's any different lift or anything, but that's what we're doing, is this LS3 Corvette cam. Alright, I'm here with John. He's my buddy from Littleton Speed Garage. He's got a couple different Facebook things that I've met him because of LS motors, actually. So he's going to help me walk through how to get this cam out, because I've never done it before. So we're going to take the valve covers off, the front cam cover off, and then we are going to loosen the rockers, get the push rods out, flip the motor over so the lifters come off of the cam, slide the cam out, slide the new cam in, and then go from there. I think put everything back together. All right, stay tuned. We've got that front cover off. We've got the valve cover and rockers off. Do we spin it now, or do we start taking this shit off?
So from here, we're going to take the cam plate off. We're going to drop that chain. Your cam sits behind there. But yeah, we can spin it now. If you want to stick that big front bolt in for your main crank bolt down there, or your main crank pulley. Do you still have the bolt for down here?
Nope.
Okay. We can certainly turn it another way. Realistically, we can just put a 10 mil.
Oh, we got to cycle the motor to get the lifters up.
Yeah.
Okay. In order to do the cam, you have to line that dot up on the camshaft with that dot right there on the crank. And as long as you have that lined up, that means your cam and your crank are both set at top dead center,
and you're going to be good to go. So you shouldn't have any huge misses or not firing or anything as long as that's lined up correctly. So from here, we're going to flip it and get the cam out, I think. So stay tuned. So we've got the motor completely upside down now so that we can set the valves or the lifters out so they won't fall. All 3 bolts off of the cam. We got to pull that out. We're going to let the chain hang here, slide in the new cam, start buttoning back up. Alright guys, so we got it out. Here's the old cam. It's a new one going in. You really can't tell too much of a difference, but this one's definitely more of a little big boy than this one. This is a truck cam, just stock truck cam. This is an LS3 cam, so that's going in, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So new cam is in, cam retaining plates back on. Basically from now, I just have to redo all the steps we did already. So it's going to be this, then the cam pulley, cam gear, what is it called?
Yeah, cam plate.
The
cam sensor plate, really, it has the sensor marks on it.
Okay, so the cam sensor gear thingy is next.
Yeah, that's right.
And then we put the front cover back on, flip it over, and put the heads back together, and we're done. It's actually a pretty simple process. I just never done an LS before, so now I can do it again, I guess. Might notice some extra stuff off. We had to take the oil pan and the oil pump off to be able to get the chain enough slack so we could get the gear back on the cam correctly. So that's come off. We're going to get everything set on, and then we're going to go from there. Alright guys, so all I gotta do is get the front plate on, valve covers on, and I'm done. I want to give another big thank you to John for coming out and helping me. I'll have some of his information below. He's going to be starting a YouTube channel soon. He hopes, I hope, more than he hopes, I think maybe. But he does a lot of LS stuff. He knows his stuff. So give him a follow. Maybe I'll put his Instagram up if he wants me to do that. And thank you guys. It's been another episode of EK Sinbad. Hopefully I'll have some more stuff coming to you very soon. I'll see you next week, and thank you for watching.